how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So first thing, just head over to your Instagram application and make sure you're logged into your account. And you can see, if you can see the message icon at the top right corner, just tap on that. And once you're inside here, all you have to do is just click on this pencil button or pin button at the top right corner once again. And it should show you a create a broadcast option. So make sure you have a lot of followers for that, and also make sure that you have changed your account type to your business or creator account. Currently my account is a business or creator account, so make sure you convert it to that, and make sure it's not on private, because it won't work, the feature won't work on your private account. So as you can see, for my reason or for my account, the option to create a broadcast channel directly is not available on Instagram. So in that case, what you can do is just come over here and just shake your device just like this, and make sure you have enabled this option to which will allow you to shake your phone to report a problem, and just tap on this report a problem button over here and just click on don't include for now. And you can also include any of the screenshots regarding your issue and just explain your issue and send it to the Instagram team, and this will be contacting you within 24 hours and fix the issue regarding your account. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.